In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find FTMO on MT5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the correct FTMO server inside MetaTrader 5 and connect your account smoothly, whether you're on desktop or mobile. First, make sure you're using the right version of MT5. Downloading MetaTrader 5 directly from your FTMO client area matters because it includes the FTMO servers out of the box. If you install MT5 from another broker, their server list can be locked to that broker, and FTMO may not appear at all. So, if in doubt, grab the installer from your FTMO dashboard, install it, and you'll avoid most server search headaches later. Next, open MT5 and get to the account login screen. On desktop, you can click File, then Open an Account, or open the navigator window and right-click Accounts, then choose Open an Account. On mobile, go to Settings and tap New Account or Add Trading Account. Both paths lead you to the same place where you can search for the correct broker server and connect. Now, search for the FTMO server. In the brokers or servers list, type FTMO into the search box. When FTMO or FTMO SRO appears, select it and click Next. This triggers MT5 to fetch the full list of available FTMO servers for MetaTrader 5, so you can pick the exact one your account uses. If you don't see FTMO right away, make sure you spelled it correctly and try the search again. When the FTMO servers are listed, log in with your credentials. Enter your login, which is your account ID, and use your master password, not the read-only one. Select the correct FTMO server name from the dropdown, then click Connect or Finish. If your details are correct, MT5 will authenticate and your charts, balance, and trading symbols will begin to load. If you copy and paste your credentials, watch out for extra spaces, and remember that passwords are case-sensitive. Before you place any trades, a few quick tips will save you time. Use the master password if you want to open, modify, or close positions. The read-only password won't let you trade. Open MarketWatch with Ctrl+M on desktop to display and load the symbols you plan to trade, and right-click to show all if needed. If login fails, or the server list looks incomplete, reinstall MT5 from your FTMO client area, or rescan the servers from the same Open an Account window to refresh the list. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be connected to your FTMO account on MT5 in just a few minutes. You